What is up, everybody? My name is Miss Sarah, and I'm a volunteer with the Holt Public Schools Equity and Access team. And I am so excited that I get to preview a very special event that's coming up by introducing you to world famous, award-winning, best-selling author, Miss Nikki Grimes. We are so glad to see you today, Miss Nikki.
I'm so glad to be here.
Nikki, you have us so excited here in the Capital Region of Michigan because you're going to be coming for a virtual K-12 Capital Region Assembly with another best-selling, award-winning, world-famous author, Kwame Alexander.
It'll be good.
I'm also excited to introduce you all to one of the local educators that will be part of this event. Her name is Miss Renee Fields, and she is a high school teacher at Waverly High School here in the Capital Region.
I teach at Waverly High School for the last 22 years. I teach in the social studies department. I teach government and history and race and ethnic studies. We're super excited to be part of this whole event. There are 6 other districts involved. I can't believe it. This is going to be a big event for all of us in mid-Michigan. What are you excited about to show us?
Always excited to connect with readers I haven't met before. And then I also have a chance to share something about my newer titles as well. So I'm looking forward to that.
I know I'm excited to give young people a voice and to show them how they can use their voice.
This year so far, I have 2 new books to share. First is a Golden Shovel poetry book called Legacy, Women Poets of the Harlem Renaissance, which is a perfect book for the month of March because it's Women's History Month. And the second one is Off to Sea the Sea, a bath time book that is full of joy and imagination. It's a good time.
You also have a Kamala book about our new vice president that just came out. It is currently number 9 on the New York Times bestseller list. Is that? Yes! That is awesome. So when we say best-selling, we're not playing. Like, we really mean, like, this is a big deal. And of course, this is a historic moment. There's a lot of things all coming together for this event to be such an uplifting and exciting and hope-filled event for a lot of people.
Well, I'll be talking here about legacy. And so I wrote one called Leah's Reunion. Yearly, I join the celebration of woman joy, the blessing of unchecked tears when calamity shakes us, or when beauty surprises. The comfort of sisters cradling me when death slithers into the neighborhood like a rattler, striking yet another sweet sun, the promise of him broken. But there is also the cleansing wind of deep belly laughter as we gather round that love-worn kitchen table, licking morsels of each story that lifts us. Without this maternal cruise guidance, a brown girl like me would simply be adrift. No wind, no sail.
There's going to be lots of ways to engage with this event, including people are going to submit questions for you in advance. We're going to have book clubs and other discussion groups entering a writing contest, prize drawings for book giveaways, and so much more.
So we just want to say thank you to so many of our sponsors and collaborators. We've got Capital Area District Libraries, we've got Spark Writers, the Mid-Michigan Good Trouble Coalition, and of course, Detroit Book City that will be supplying a 20% discount on these event-related titles with promo code H.E.A.T 2021. And you guys, we can't wait. March 4th, March is Reading Month. Nikki and Renee, we'll see you there. Bye, everybody.